Are you happy with the size of your boobs and butt? Do you think men like bigger boobs and butts? If you're married and your husband requests for bigger boobs and butt and he will pay for it, would you enhance them? Are you happy with the size of your boobs and butt?
Yes, I'm happy.
Just shy. Okay, so you're happy. Why are you happy? Like, you're contented. Why?
Because I can wear whatever I want.
It makes sense. Yeah, because like for example, if I have big butt, it's hard to to find like skirts, jeans. So you can wear anything you want, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How about, do you think men like bigger boobs and butts?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think men like more? Boobs or butts?
I think boobs.
Boobs. How can you say boobs? Ba't mo nasabing boobs? What? Is that based on what you saw in your
Yung environment,
environment and
social media.
social media? Okay, so men like boobs more. Okay. How about, let's say, if you are married and your husband requests for bigger boobs and butt, would you enhance them?
No.
Why?
I don't want. I'm contented to my boobs.
Okay. So, and I found out that tomorrow is her birthday. So, advance happy birthday. You're welcome. She's so pretty, very pretty. Are you single or do you have boyfriend?
Single.
How long have you been single? Since birth?
No.
Are you happy with the size of your boobs and butt?
So, of course, yes. Kasi, this is my body. So, kung ano yung meron sa akin, masaya and happy ako and contented.
So she said that yes, this is her body, so whatever she has, and she's contented, she's happy with it. I'm happy for you as well. You're welcome. Okay, do you think men like bigger boobs and butts?
Yes, halos lahat po kasi ng mga lalaki is gusto talaga yung mas malaki and mas maganda yung katawan.
She said yes because almost of the men they prefer bigger sizes and better, body body shape. Okay, what do you think men like more, boobs or butts?
I think boobs.
Boobs. How about this one? If you are married, okay, if you are married and your husband requests for bigger boobs and butt and he will pay for it, would you enhance them?
No. No, I'm happy with my body and, if he love me naman, tatanggapin niya talaga kung ano meron ako.
She said no because she loves her body, and if he really loves her, she will accept her. That's very beautiful. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
4 months.
Are you happy with the size of your boobs and butt?
Yes, I'm happy because um I'm contented with kung anong binigay ng Diyos sa akin.
She's contented for what God gave her. Okay. She's contented. Okay, I like that. Okay. Do you think men like bigger boobs and butts?
I don't think so, but um I think naman sa may mga respetong lalaki. Kahit ano naman 'yun.
So she said she don't think. But for those who are, what do you call this? Respectable men, something
Yes.
like that. Even though they have, women have smaller boobs or smaller butts, it's fine with them, right? But how about those men that like, bigger boobs and bigger butts? What do you think? What do you think men like more, boobs or butts?
I don't think so, but I think boobs.
Boobs. Okay, boobs. Let's say if you are married, okay, if you are married and your husband requests for bigger boobs and butt and he will pay for it, would you enhance them?
I think I don't like ayokong baguhin yung sarili ko.
She said she doesn't want to change herself, her body. Okay.
If naman love niya ako, tanggap niya yun.
Okay, she said if she loves her, if he loves her, he will accept. Okay, he will accept, everything that Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single mother.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Okay, 23 years old. Now, here's my question. Are you happy with the size of your boobs and butt?
Yes, actually, I'm confident with what I have, my boobs or my butt. Of course, God give me this kind of body, so I'm very thankful for that.
Hmm. Have you ever thought like once or twice in your life like how you will look like if you have bigger boobs or bigger butt? Have you ever thought like
No, because I'm like this. I want like this. Normal and no one can replace that or
I love that.
yes.
I love that. Natural is a beautiful. Okay. Now, do you think men like bigger boobs and butts?
I think yes because they said that the more big boobs or butt, more attractive for them. Yun lang.
Okay. What do you think men like more? Boobs or butts?
I think it's a butt. I don't think so, but I'm ano lang, yung nakikita ko lang, yun lang po man.
You saw
Environment?
from the environment. Okay. So, she said based on what she saw on the environment, butts. Okay. Now, for the last question, ma'am. Let's say you are married and your husband requests for bigger boobs and butt and he will pay for it. Would you enhance them?
No. I said no. No reason.
No reason, that's it.
Yes.
Okay. He should accept, right?
What I am or what I have.
Okay. What's your job?
A librarian.
Librarian. Beautiful. How long have you been a librarian?
Actually, I'm newly hired. I have.
Really. Thank you so much for having this interview. Thank you so much. Okay. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much. And take care, everyone. Thank you.
Beautiful reflections